Hello guys, I'm Spicy Bill and this is going to be a final review of the Flame Toys Furai model kit, Optimus Prime, IDW version. So I got this kit back in March 30th, 2019 and I had a damaged part right here at the top of the head crest. So I finally got a replacement part. Actually had to go to the source. I emailed Flame Toys and they actually sent me a replacement part because I was very tired waiting for Bluefin to send me the replacement. So anyway, Flame Toys customer service is absolutely top notch, unlike Bluefin. I think some of you guys heard my rant video about this particular kit. I actually privatized that video because Bluefin finally decided they wanted to send me the replacement. But I already got another replacement part from Flame Toys, so oh well, who cares? Anyway, yeah. So basically, this looks a lot better once it's properly constructed. Unlike my previous review. Everything else is the same. Now, I do want to touch up on a few issues that I noticed over, owning this kit for 3 months. These parts, these front skirts, definitely needs to be glued in. So I definitely recommend that if you don't like these pieces coming off, you definitely want to glue those in. It's got some loose joints here and there, and yeah, the foil sticker is still not very good. As you can see, oh, there we go. This part just came off already. So yeah, definitely glue these in if you don't want to deal with the frustration of it coming off. Now, there's really not much you can do with these winglets. They do also pop off, so that's a minor annoyance. Also, these parts on the shoulder could come off too, so you definitely want to glue those in. Everything else is pretty good. Yeah, Flame Toys customer service is top notch, and I think they did a pretty damn good job on this kit. Articulation is really good. I really like all the parts separation gimmicks. Unfortunately, the only thing I really don't like is the foil stickers. This thing up here isn't very good either. So it is actually missing some color. You know, this is supposed to be blue. If you look at the box right there, yeah, some of those, something like that. These are blue. Well, nothing here there. So yeah, but anyway, let's go over the articulation one more time, and then we'll go over let's go over the accessories. So we got this rifle here. Yeah, it's a very nice blaster. For accessories, we got two of these open hands. We got two closed fists and two trigger fingers, so you can interchange which hand if you want to hold the weapon. Most of the articulation I talk about in the actual review, so I'll put the link in the video description if you guys missed it. But anyway, let's go over that one more time since this is gonna be the proper review this time. So we got the toe hinge right here. We got a hinge right here for the feet, and the feet is actually very well articulated in here. I believe it's kind of like yeah, you can see it's a hinge to a polycap, so you can have some ankle rocking action here. So that's pretty good. We also got the ankle armor here, and the legs can bend more than 90 degrees. This is double jointed knee. It's actually single joint, but it allows it to go all the way because of this technology right here, this hinge right here. As you can see, that's actually really well designed. Really like that. We have universal joints for the hips. So, and you also got a peg hole for the, if you want to put this on the action base or something like that. Again, front skirt can be articulated, but it's very annoying, so glue those in for sure. No back, well, it's got a back skirt, but this thing really is not gonna do anything. We've got multi-segmented waist section right here, so that's actually really good. Very nice diaphragm joint right here. The head is on the hinge, so he can look down like that, and then look up. And yeah, unfortunately, you can rotate 360. It's kind of hindered. We got this very nice butterfly joint here. This thing is actually incredible. It can go up and it can go back and forth. Yeah, so that is really, really nicely designed. And the arm can go perpendicular. Like I said, my only complaint is with this shoulder piece. This thing also likes to come off, so just be careful of that. Rotate 360. If the winglet doesn't get in the way, we have the bicep swivel, and we have double jointed elbow. And we also got a hinge right here for the wrist. So, whoops. Also be careful of that. So the wrist and then the hand can go 360 like that. So that's really, really good. Okay, so anyway, like I said, some issues you want to deal with. Sometimes these can pop off too, so probably glue those in, glue these in, glue these pieces in like that. If you have access to paint, I definitely recommend painting all these parts right there. You don't have to paint them like, you can paint them silver or maybe like gunmetal gray or something like that. Would be very nice. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it. And yeah, there's really not much you can do with these winglets. If it pops out, it pops out. You just pop them back in. So anyway, very nice looking model kit. I definitely recommend it. I think this guy actually inflated in price. I think in March it was retailing for like $40, something like that. Now it's going for like $60 for some reason on eBay. I guess the supply must have, people must have bought up a lot of these. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Flame Toys is definitely a very nice company. I will be putting this guy on eBay so I can reserve the funds for Megatron when it's coming out. The IDW version, I think. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys find the information helpful. Thanks for watching.